In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a subtask a task and vice versa in Asana. If you've been using Asana for a while, you know how important it is to keep your tasks organized. Sometimes you may find that a subtask needs to become a standalone task, or maybe a task needs to be nested as a subtask. This video will guide you through the process step by step in a clear and straightforward manner. First things first, we'll start by heading over to the Asana website. Open your browser and navigate to www.asana.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login option. Click on Login to access your Asana dashboard. If you don't have an Asana account yet, don't worry. You can easily click Get Started or try for free to set up your account. This is a great option to explore if you're new to Asana or if you want to try out its features before fully committing. Once you've logged in, head over to the specific project or task you want to work on. This is crucial because to move a subtask to a standalone task, you'll need to access the parent task first. Within your dashboard, find the parent task that contains the subtask you're interested in. Click on this task to see more details and make sure you can view all related information. Now let's find your subtask. Click to expand and view the subtasks that are part of the main task. This will give you a clearer view of all subtasks, making it easier to identify which one you want to promote to a standalone task. Once your subtask is visible, it's time to make the switch. Simply click and hold the subtask and then drag it to the project sidebar on the left. This action creates a standalone task out of your subtask. If you prefer, you can also drag the subtask directly into a project or a task list within a project. Choose the method that best suits your workflow. The drag and drop feature is intuitive, making the transition smooth and efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your subtask into an independent task. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your project structured and clear, ensuring nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Remember, as with all tools, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore Asana's other features and integrations that might further enhance your productivity. Don't forget to save your work and log out once you've finished reorganizing your tasks for the day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep optimizing your workflow and happy organizing.